Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Silverado headlight. First, gather your tools, including a new headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. This process is straightforward and can be completed with minimal effort. We will cover accessing the assembly, removing the old bulb, installing the new one, and finally, testing your work. Let's get started and brighten up your drive. To begin, open your truck's hood and locate the headlight assembly you wish to replace. You'll notice two small retaining pins at the top of the assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the center of each pin, then pull the entire pin out. This will allow the headlight assembly to become loose, making it easy to slide forward. Once the assembly is pulled forward, you'll see the back of the headlight bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, grasp the base of the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it. Remove the old bulb, insert the new one, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. After the new bulb is installed, reattach the electrical connector. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Push the two retaining pins back into their holes until they click, securing the assembly. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly and illuminating the road ahead.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.